They say America is the land of opportunity. But for most people, that opportunity feels like a locked door. Bills pile up, paychecks vanish, and dreams of financial freedom fade behind long work hours. But what if wealth wasn't about luck or privilege? What if wealth was a ladder, one anyone could climb step by step? This is the story of three people who decided to climb that ladder, and what their stories teach us about building wealth in America. Meet Jenny Morales, who came to the U.S. from Mexico at 21 with 2 suitcases and a dream to start a business. Her first job paid $9 an hour. She sent half back home, but Jenny had one rule: never let money sit idle. She saved every tip, read books about investing, and by 25, she started selling homemade beauty products online. At first, no sales. Then a viral TikTok changed everything. In 2 years, she scaled to 6 figures, but not by luck. Jenny followed 3 principles: start small, but start now. Reinvest profits, don't splurge. Turn skills into scalable systems. Jenny said while smiling, "I realized wealth isn't built in one big moment. It's built in hundreds of tiny, disciplined ones." Then there's David Brooks, a U.S. Marine veteran who returned home with $45,000 in debt and no idea how to start over. He could have blamed the system, but instead, he studied it. He learned how credit worked, how compound interest punished the lazy and rewarded the patient. So David built a plan, sold his car and used public transport, picked up freelance cybersecurity work, lived below his means for 2 years straight. By 32, debt-free. By 34, first rental property. By 37, financial independence. David once said, "The system isn't fair, but once you learn its rules, you can make it work for you." David's story reminds us, wealth isn't just about making money. It's about keeping it and multiplying it. Finally, meet Maya Henderson, a single mom from Atlanta who turned fear into focus. After her divorce, she had $1,000 in savings and 2 kids. She stumbled upon a YouTube video about index funds. It sounded impossible, but she started with $50 a month, then $100, then $500. 10 years later, her portfolio crossed $250,000. Maya affirmed, "Investing taught me patience, not perfection. I didn't need to time the market, I just needed to be in it." Maya didn't chase trends or overnight success. She played the long game. And in America, the long game is the secret no one talks about. Jenny taught us that discipline builds momentum. David proved that knowledge destroys debt. Maya reminded us that time grows wealth. Together, they climbed the same ladder, one step at a time. Because in the United States, building wealth isn't just about money, it's about mindset. It's about saying, "I may start at the bottom, but I won't stay there." No matter who you are, where you're from, or how much you earn, the ladder is right in front of you. You just have to start climbing.